Hello, good morning students. Now we have start chapter 5. Next topic, conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Look here. First example, convert 18/4 into mixed number. Okay. Now solution is the denominator 4 suggests that a unit is divided into 4 equal parts. On dividing 18 by 4, we get quotient is equal to 4. 4 4 ja 16, remainder is 2. Now 18/4 is equal to 4 units and 2/4 units. So 4 2 by 4 is equal to 4 1/2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Now next topic, conversion of mixed numbers into improper fractions. Example, convert 5 3 by 4 into improper fraction. Solution is 5 3 by 4 is equal to 5 plus 3 by 4. 4 is LCM. 5 4 ja 20/4 plus 3 by 4. LCM is 4. 4 1 ja 4. 20 1 ja 20 plus 4 1 ja 4. 3 1 ja 3. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23/4. Now 5 3 by 4 is equal to 23 by 4. Now other alternative method, 5 3 by 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 plus 3/4. 5 4 ja 20 plus 3/4 is equal to 23/4. Note, in practice, to convert 4 1 by 3 into improper fraction, we simplify, multiply 4 by 3 and then to the product add 1 to get the numerator of the fraction. The denominator of the fraction remains unchanged. Okay. Now next topic is comparison of fractions with unlike numerators and unlike denominators. Let us compare two fractions 7/9 and 5/12. Look at this. Show the figure. 7/9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 boxes. 7 boxes is shaded. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Fraction is 7/9. And next diagram, 5/12. Number of boxes 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 5 boxes is shaded. 1 2 3 4 5. Fraction is 5/12. In the above figure, the shaded part of two equal strips represent the fraction 7/9 and 5/12. Clearly 7/9 is greater than 5/12, or 5/12 is less than 7/9. We can also compare such fractions by changing them to fractions having like denominator. So first we change 7/9 and 5/12 to equivalent fractions having like denominators. We find the LCM of 9 and 12. 9 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 ja 9, and 12 is equal to 2 multiplied 3. 4 3 ja 12. LCM of 9 and 12 is equal to 2 multiplied 3 is equal to 36. So 7/9 is equal to LCM is 36. 9 4 ja 36. Same number multiplied by numerator and denominator. 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28. 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36. And 5 upon 12 is equal to, LCM is 36, 12 3 ja 36 and 5 3 ja 15. 15 upon 36. Now we compare 28 upon 36 and 15 upon 36. Look, denominator is same. 28 is greater than 15. 28 upon 36 is greater than 15 upon 36. So 7 upon 9 is greater than 5 upon 12. Okay. Now next example, change 3 by 8 and 5 upon 12 into equivalent fractions. Find out which one is greater. Okay. Now solution is, prime factors of 8 and 12 are, 8 is equal to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 8 and 12 is equal to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. LCM of 8 and 12 is equal to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 is equal to 24. So 3 by 8 is equal to, LCM is 24, 8 3 ja 24 and 3 3 ja 9, 9 upon 24, 5 upon 12, 12 2 ja 24, 5 2 ja 10, 10 upon 24. Now compare 9 upon 24 and 10 upon 24. Look, denominator is same. So since 10 is greater than 9, 10 upon 24 is greater than 9 upon 24, or 5 upon 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Okay. Now next example, show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. Put appropriate signs between the following fractions. First is 5 upon 6 dash 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 2 by 6. We draw the number line and show the given fraction on it. Show the number line. First point is 0, second 1, third is 2. Sixth part is divided between 0 and 1. 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6. So first is 5 by 6 lies on the right of 2 by 6. 5 upon 6 is greater than 2 by 6. Look here, 5 upon 6 is greater than 2 by 6. Second is 3 by 6 lies on the right of 0 by 6. So 3 by 6 is greater than 0 by 6. Look here, show the number line. 3 by 6 is greater than 0 by 6. Third is 1 upon 6 lies on the left of 6 by 6. 1 upon 6 is less than 6 by 6. Look, 1 upon 6 is less than 6 by 6. Now next, 8 upon 6 lies on the right of 5 upon 6. 8 upon 6 is greater than 5 upon 6. 8 upon 6 is greater than 5 upon 6. Okay. Now next example, arrange the following fraction in ascending order. 3 by 4, 3 by 8, 1 by 2 and 5 by 6. Now solution is, prime factor of 4, 8, 2 and 6 are 4 is equal to 2 multiplied 2, 8 is equal to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2, 2 is equal to 2, 2 multiplied 2 and 6 is equal to 2 multiplied 3. LCM of 4, 8, 2 and 6 is equal to 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 is equal to 24. LCM is 24. Now first fraction 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 6, because LCM is 24. 4 6 ja 24 and 6 3 ja 18. 18 upon 24. Next fraction 3 by 8. 8 3 ja 24 or 3 3 ja 9. 9 upon 24. 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 multiplied 12 is equal to 24. 1 multiplied 12 is equal to 12. 12 upon 24. 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 multiplied 4, 20 and 6 multiplied 4 is equal to 24, because LCM is 24. So 9 is less than 12, 12 is less than 18, 18 is less than 20. So 9 upon 24 is less than 12 upon 24. 12 upon 24 is less than 18 upon 24. 18 upon 24 is less than 20 upon 24. Hence, arranging the corresponding equivalent fractions in the ascending order, we get 3 by 8, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Okay student, write down the example.